Shed the days like skin, pray for evenings in, hold their hands in the street when you walk them off to school. A box too full to shut, cardboard paper cut, the bleeding edge of a picture of your parents when they were cool. So much to say, I forget to start. There goes the day, fading as it passes. Forget the gray, let it fall apart. It's okay, I like you in glasses. Shovels in the sand, Play-Doh wedding band, drowning princess in a tangle of towels on the floor. An old familiar ache, little pills we take, the thoughtless kindness of a coffee cup waiting by the door. So much to say, I forget to start. There goes the day, fading as it passes. Forget the gray, let it fall apart. It's okay, it's on the board. Someone's been double booking. I've got time. How is your next week looking? The house shifts into place, a little breathing space. The radiators and the floorboards will argue while we sleep.